నీ నా జాని తెలిసి నగు మోగనలేని నా జగని తెలిసి నగు మోగనలేని నా జాని తెలిసి నగు మోగనలేని నా జాని తెలిసి నగు మోగనలేని నా జాని తెలిసి నన్ను ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುವರನೇ ನನ್ನು ಬ್ರೋವರದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುವರನೇ ನನ್ನು ಬ್ರೋವರದ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುವರನೇ ನಗೆ ಮೋಗನಲೇನಿ ನ ಜಾನಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ರಾಜ ರಾಜ ಧರಣಿ ಪರಿವಾರ ನಗರಾಜ ಧರಣಿ ಪರಿವಾರ ನಗರಾಜ ಧರಣಿ ಓಗಿ ಬೋಧನ ಜೇಸೆ ವರಡುಗರೆ ಅಟುರುಂಡದಿರ ನಗಮೋ ಗನನೆ ನೀನದನೆ ಎನಿಸೆ ನನು ರಾಜು ನೀಯಾನತಿ ವಿನಿವೇಗ ಜನನೆರು ಓ ಖಗರಾಜು ನೀಯಾನತಿ ವಿನಿವೇಗ ಜನನೆರು ಖಗರಾಜು ನೀಯಾನತಿ ವಿನಿವೇಗ ಜನ खिलको बहुदूरं बनि नाडो जग मेने जग मेने परमात्मा एवरीतो पुरनिडुदु 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 जग मेने एवरीतो पुरनिडुदु बगजो बगो ताणनु नन्नेरो कोर त्यागराजनु तने नगमो ओ मोगनने नगने तदिसे ननु ब्रोबरायना श्री रघुवरने नग मोगनने न जाने दिल से ननु
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am so glad and happy that Srimati Anita Guha, my very, very dear friend, has come here to participate in Kala Pradashni's Tyagaraja Utsav, along with her beautiful 3 disciples. Thank you so much, Anita Ma.
It's our pleasure, Parvati. Om Shri Sai Ram. Namaskaram to all of you. We should thank Parvati for giving us this opportunity, and especially, actually, after 10 months, we have just come here to perform. The students also, we were all waiting for a break, Madhuri. But I think you made me do it, Parvati. Thank you so much. Because I was a little hesitant to make it, but somehow when Parvati called me, I couldn't say no. Parvati is a wonderful artist, an extraordinary organizer, and I think along with me, all my dear friends, Urmila, Roja, Priya, Radhika, so many others, Binesh, Nidhi, so many of them are there. All of us have to thank Parvati for this beautiful opportunity, and I have had the opportunity to actually perform for her grand Tyagaraja Utsavams in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan earlier with the Pancharatna Kritis. But this was also extremely beautiful. It was a great idea of yours. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Let me introduce our beautiful orchestra here. Mrs. Nandini Anand I'm extremely happy and honored to have been working with all these great exponents of music. Dhananjayan sir, senior mridangist, thank you very much, sir. It was our pleasure. And this young, brilliant Vishwesh here, thank you very much, Vishwesh, for being with us. And my dear students here, this is Smriti Krishnamurthy. My senior students, I'll just come like that. Anjali Hariharan and young Nutana Nair. And thank you so much, Parvati, for giving us this opportunity. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Sairam, thank you so much. Namaskaram. And Ayyappan, thank you so much, Ayyappan, after so long this life. Thank you very much.